Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Windows could not find a driver for your network adapter solved. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Network and Internet. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Network Adapter, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Next. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Network Adapter, click Uninstall Driver, click Uninstall, after uninstall restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.